Okay, so we're now going to do round 6. With round 6, again, looking at the instructions here, with round 6, we're going to need to chain 1. Then the repeat pattern is 2 single crochets in the next stitch, or the next single crochet. And then a single crochet in each of the next 4. So it's going to be 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. That would be, again, it would be like A, oh, let's do it this way, A, or A1, A2, B, C, D, E, and then A1, A2, B, C, D, E. That would be the pattern. And we're going to do up to 36. And at the very end, this time, do not join with a slit stitch. Because after round 6, we're no longer going to just do one round and then stop, then another round and stop, and another, no. After round 6, we're going to start doing a spiral and going around in a spiral. So, here we are, and now I can remove my marker. Excuse me. And so now, remove my marker, and so now we're going to go ahead and chain 1. Okay, chain 1. And by the way, just in case, let me undo that. If you had this piece down and you're wondering, oh wait, you know, how do I begin this? Was it this way or was it this way? Which way was this? Remember, we are working with right stitch, that is RS. And right stitch means that you see the chains, they're all with the V pointing to the right. You could say, you know, yeah, just pointing to the right. This would be the back side, wrong way. You see, it's pointing to the left, the V. This is right side, the V is pointing to the right, right side. Okay, let's get back to this. All right, so we're going to go ahead and chain 1. Okay, we're going to chain 1 and then, not counting the chain, let's go and find out once again where it is. It's the first, I believe it's going to be this one right here, but I just want to make sure. Okay, so not counting this because this was chain 1, but we need to get back to, it was 30. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Right here. So this is number 30. This is where I want to go ahead and begin. Right there. Number 30. Alright, let's take that needle out. Right here. So, A1, or I'm sorry, let's just do that. It's 1 A1, 2 A2, 3 B, 4 C, 5 D, 6 E, 7 A1, 8 A2, 9 B, 10 C, 11 D, 12 E, 13 A1, 14 A2, 15 B, 16 D, C, 17 D, 18 E. 19A1, 20A2, 21B, 22C, 23D, 24E, 25A1, 26A2, 27B, 27B, 28C, 28C. Sometimes if you echo it twice, it helps you. 28D, 29E, 30A1, 30A2, okay, so now I've lost my count, so I've got to start this out. I got to count backwards here. Let's see here. Okay. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, and 33. Now, what has happened here is that I forgot to do what I wanted you guys to do, which was to, when you did your first single crochet, to go ahead and mark it, and I didn't do that. So here we are. Let me mark it. Okay, and now let me count one more time so I know what number this is. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 33. So that's 33, and it's 33A2. So let's get back over here. 33A2, 34B, 35C, and 36D. And now we're going to stop right here. We are not going to join with a slip stitch, but we are going to see that our next stitch is going to be where our first one was, which was this marker. And I did not tell you guys to do that, and I needed to tell you guys to do that, that when you do your first one, just like all the other ones, you got to make that mark, and I forgot to do that. So we've done round 6, and we are now going to start round 7, which is the beginning of our spiral.